and you speak fluently, right? Because I am also language learner. How much I did hard work, I know. Then how can I believe you? It's okay. Because if you speak fluently within 2 weeks, then you are a advanced learner. You are a fluent learner and you adapt quickly and vastly and you become a good speaker. Okay, that's it's okay. Right now you are practicing for 3 hours per day. But since when did you start your learning journey? I asked you. My question is that. No, this not. No, 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 no. I didn't ask you about this platform. Since when did you install in this platform, or since when have you been using this platform? I didn't ask about this. I asked you since when did you start learning journey? Yeah, but I think I think hmm, it also one. Yeah, that is also one step. That is also beginner. They cannot greet also with others, right? That is also simple step to learn your language. No one can means start in long, long sentence and they take topic and they deliver their speech in front of people, public, on the stage. They can't do it, right? We start from simple sentence, short sentence, daily uses sentence, right? Not like a we have to learn how to greet others good morning, good afternoon, because we build our confidence unconsciously. If you greet anyone and that person responds you, then you build your confidence. Okay, that person replied me and that person responded my greatness, then you always want to talk with that person and greet that person, right? Then greatness also required. How are you? Where are you going? I'm going to school, I am going to market. And how do you feel? This kind of small sentence leads your fluent speaker, right? Then that kind of I want to know, means, since when did you start your learning journey? Because simple sentence also people they don't know, because they have good at in grammar, they have good at in listening, they have good at in reading skill, but they when it comes to speaking part, they cannot speak in front of anyone in single sentence. I am asking about speaking part. Means since when did you start your learning journey? Because I can evaluate you have been means start learning journey more than 1 year, around 2 years. Not only simple, you can tell me I use this platform within 2 weeks and I start speaking. I cannot believe. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I, mhm. Okay. It is the last. Yes, of course, definitely. Because you, yeah, that is also that. Yeah, language has four skill: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Right? Because you can do yourself reading practice, and you can do yourself writing skill. You can do yourself listening skill. and you have to practice speaking part, then we need any kind of person or other activity, right? Then we can learn language. Then all are interconnection each other. If you do listening, reading, writing, then three skill leads to speak better English, right? Good English. Then you did those kind of these are foundation of English language, right? If you want to build one building and if you don't build strong foundation, that building um, may be collapse, right, within short period. This kind of, then that kind of we have to build our means those kind of skills strongly: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Then speaking is a building, and reading, writing, and listening is a foundation. Then you make a good building, this kind of, right? Then you have to do daily, regularly. And we know speaking means listening and speaking, right? But we don't know how to build reading skill and how to enhance writing skill. We don't know. Then all are interconnected each other. We have to do regularly, daily, right? And we have to focus 20 minutes each skills. Then anyone become a good speaker and fluent speaker. Then and who never, it is a language, anyone can speak, anyone can learn, right? Language is a learnable skill. Language is a skill based, right? Because it is doesn't require any degree, percentage, any score. Anyone can learn.